It's so alarming that Americans consume opioids at a greater rate than any other nation, including twice as many opiates per capita as Canada, our neighbor to Maine. I'm concerned that we have this kind of disparity. When you look at Canada, the provinces most close to Maine, their populations are very similar to our population. So what is it that we're doing differently, in your opinion, in the United States that results in such a huge disparity in prescribing practices?
I think Dr. McKay hit the nail on the head when he said we have a cultural problem in the United States on pain perception and treatment. I think we've set ourselves up both with pain as a fifth vital sign and then the HCAP survey, unfortunately hardwired to compensation for doing well in those questions, that pain is an abnormal finding. And actually, not to be insensitive, but I would challenge everybody in this room that you probably had some pain today. And I'm not making light of this, but pain is a natural neurologic response to something. It can be triggered in many different ways. Much of pain has a behavioral health overlay, and because of the way we've approached this systemically as a culture, we have given credence to the fact that you shouldn't have pain. So I think the step you have to take here is not simply tightening up the prescriptions, getting Narcan on the street so we don't have any more deaths. It's also a cultural awareness that we have some skin in the game, that we need to walk more. Did everybody get their 10,000 steps in today? Your diet, you shouldn't, we have an obesity issue which contributes to pain in many areas, orthopedic pain, spine pain. Have we done well in talking about the other substance abuse issues, alcoholism? So because pain can be triggered from all those issues, it's a cultural awareness that wellness should be step one to mitigate what we perceive as having a pain epidemic. The real epidemic is that we haven't culturally done well with this, and because we have that in a wealthy nation, I think that's what shows you the gap between Canada and other countries.
Thank you. Senator